In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Windsurf Write Mode. This guide will take you through each step necessary to navigate the application and utilize its features for creating code efficiently. Begin by opening the Windsurf application on your device. Locate the application icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double-click it to launch. Once the application is open, you will be greeted with the main interface, which contains various options and tools. Next, click on the option labeled Agent located in the main menu. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can manage different agents and their settings, and so that this screen loads completely before proceeding to the next step. After that, look for the button that says New Session. Click on this option to initiate a new coding session. A loading indicator may appear while the new session is being prepared. Wait until the interface updates, confirming that your new session is ready. Once this appears, you will see a cascade of code displayed on your screen. This code serves as the foundation for your writing task within the application. Take a moment to review the code structure and familiarize yourself with its components before moving forward. Now, you will need to ask Cascode to write a code for a specific software as a service or SaaS application. To do this, find the input area where you can type, clearly state your requirements for the code you need. This step is crucial as it determines the output generated by Cascode. After submitting your request, allow a moment for Cascode to process the information and generate the code. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.